Since 1991, birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony. Until one day, a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Special Edition today. The bell has now gone. We are off. We've been answering all your questions. Get in. That's how you get up in the morning. Get everything sorted. Get ready to go. Do an opening show. Do a birthday, and then do 6 premieres, then get here for the bell with earnings coming up. That's how you make it. That's what it's all about. People, that's how we do that. Let's get ready to rock and roll. It's showtime once again here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We're making money. What's going on? All right, here we go. Look, the markets are down this morning very, very slightly, hardly anything at all. Remember, it's exaggerated down because I'm in margin, so it's hardly anything at all. Wasn't worth buying anything. And let's go through all our positions right now and let's see how we are doing. All right, let's go through all our positions. It's the stock race. What's up, what's down, what's not, what's in, what's out, and away we go. If you've just tuned in, click subscribe and ring the bell and tap the like button as well. That would be great. So here we go. Number one, the overall portfolio down slightly. Virgin Galactic down today after their earnings, down again 95 cents. What do you make of it? Are you happy? Are you not? Welcome everybody on the extra channel. We're now live on the main channel once again. Watch me there or watch me here. It's all good for you. Stacey Bailey, I've got a treat for you today. You asked for something and you have got it. Stacey Bailey, ask me again, let me know you're here and I'll tell you what I've done just for you. Virgin Galactic is down. Let me clear that one a little bit. There we go. I was copying and pasting. Palantir is now moving back up again, but down, had a very disappointing few days. Gold is down slightly. The S&P is down but coming up. Amazon down but shooting up. Apple is up today. Fantastic. Next year energy 71.64. Very nice indeed. Enphase going straight back down again, down 2.56. Coca-Cola up today. J&J up. It's a $200 stock. I love it. Kenvue going down today. Chevron is down 161 today, down 0.54. Tesla is down 170. Still see 110 for Tesla. Rivian is down 8.34, 8.7 now. Rivian going back down again. Many of you got fearful yesterday, FOMO, and you bought in. I don't know why. Just wait. Wait for the red days. Exactly right what Fight Channel says. I love the red days. Absolutely. Stacey Bailey, you asked me last night, would I do for you the IonQ earnings? I have decided to cancel Robinhood and replace it with IonQ. There was more support for IonQ. Stacey Bailey, how do you do? You're very welcome. The number one quantum computer company in the world, Amazon investment. We are covering the earnings. You said you'd give me $500 super chat if I did that. So whenever you're ready. I just wanted you to know it was in the can. It's done. All right, let's go through the stocks. Microsoft going down. Google down but coming back up again. Nvidia down but coming back up. Walmart is flat at the moment. Tilray is going down. Robinhood, they're going down big at the moment. That's normal. That's expected. It's earnings day today. So Robinhood are going down. This is what happens. IonQ, we're covering it tonight. It's going down pre-earnings. Rocket Lab is down, a good value at $3.90. Plug Power going back down. We're covering the earnings soon. Rumble going down 1.2. Funware is down 1.31. That's after hours tomorrow night. We might be covering that one. Faraday is 4 cents going bankrupt. Rio Tinto down today 1.5. Bitcoin is down. Polygon is down as well. Ripple is up 0.23. There you go. There is our stock race this morning. Thank you very much indeed. All right, okay, let's have a look. So high again. Up the Martin, Evan Avery. Good morning, Evan Avery. Hi Martin, how are you? I'm very well. Lower, I became a member and I became a member and ain't had a shout out. Evan Avery. Well, you just did. You're not a member. You're not a member of our channel, Evan Avery. That's why I don't see your comments first. You are not a member of our channel. You don't have a badge, so you're not a member. You are a subscriber of the channel. You might be a member of the extra channel. I think I did see you earlier. Are you a member on the extra channel? I think I may have seen you earlier. Let me just go and have a look. Fans. Evan Avery. Yes, Evan Avery. I want to share this with you. They are completely different channels. You are a member over here on the extra channel. This means you can be part of the 12-hour stream. You can be behind the scenes. You can talk to all the team, the members, 12 hours a day. Yes, you are a member on the extra channel. Congratulations to you. You will now get 12-hour support. You can be in there and ask questions 12 hours a day. There you are. If I bring up the live chat, did I see you in the chat this morning, Evan Avery? Let's have a look. You wasn't in there today. Just scrolling through, I should be able to see you as a member. It's 100% members only, and you are a member of that channel. But this channel is very, very different. Oh, yeah, the extra channel. This is a very different channel. The benefits here are very, very different. The extra channel gives you the 12-hour support. This is where you get the reviews, and all the other thousands of other benefits, all right? So that's what you get here. Anyway, welcome to the family. Would everybody please welcome Cookies in? I'm Discogs. How do I sign up? If you want to be on Discord, you need to be a member of this channel, and I can give you access to Discord. If you want to become a member of this channel, here it is. This is the main channel, and this is how you become a member. And if you become a member here, eventually you'll have a 2-year badge, be part of the VIP club, and there's in-person meetups, special events planned, and there we go. So do join us. There is the membership if you want to be part of the big show. All right. Good morning, Lucas Aids. I love Red Days. So do I. Stacey Bailey. Yes, I want Rivian. Yes, I want Rivian. I'm lagging. As long as it's not a surprise like having a CPS show up at my house, a CPS. It should be after last night. You throwing around chainsaws and saucepans. Yeah, I'd say definitely the CPS should be turning up. Brilliant. Cool. Thanks a bunch. You're very welcome. I've become a member. Why haven't I got a badge? It's because this is a different channel. You are a member of the extra channel. This is a separate channel, completely separate channel. They are not the same. Okay. For 99 cents, you get access to 12 hours a day support for the whole year for our members. This is a very different channel. Okay. Hi, Martin. How's your Wi-Fi? Yes, well, I've got the Wi-Fi man coming today, if you like. Spectrum are coming out today. No point them coming out. I fixed the problem myself. I know what's wrong. It's oversaturated in the area. They're saying it's going to get fixed in July. Between now and then, I have made some alterations on my own to make it work. And I explained it all yesterday, so we won't go through all that boring stuff again. But yes, I've got ways to take care of it myself. They're absolutely useless, if I'm absolutely honest. Sounds a bit arrogant to say such, but I know more than they do. It's true. They come out and they talk rubbish, and I tell them so. Not really. I'm polite about it, but I just say there's no point you checking that. If you want to, you can. Yeah, it's annoying because they mess up my studio and they mess around and they don't know what they're doing. Don't like it. Don't like anyone messing around in the cockpit of my aircraft here on the show to the world. Don't like it. Right, okay, we've set that. We're all good there. The extra channel is very busy today. Very busy indeed. We've got as many people in the extra channel nearly as there is in the main channel. That's fantastic. I can't believe it. Right, so moving on down. Morning all. Good morning, John. And Discord, how do I sign up? Oh yeah, the extra channel. Yes. Here is how you get onto Discord, but you need to be a member of the main channel. Here is a link for Discord. And there it is. There's the link for Discord. You click that link, you sign up, you send me a friend request, but you have to be a member of the main channel to access that. Then you'll get training from Ed Nevius, how to scalp trade, all the birthdays, all the reviews, the list goes on and on and on. And Members Day is about to happen once again. Members Day is about to happen. You had a little bit of a taster this morning. I started to answer your questions, but there's some great stuff. You're going to love it. The members are going to love it. It's imminent. I'm not going to tell you what day it happens. It's just going to happen, but you're going to love it, and there'll be a big surprise for all the members. Wide Point, baby, let's go. Yes, Wide Point have reached out to me. I'm speaking to them tomorrow. I'm speaking to the CEO tomorrow, and they are coming on the show. Asti is coming on the show into the studio. Very excited about that. Good morning, NTVS. Let's go. Good morning, Bill. Welcome onto the show. He's got a cup of coffee. What wonderful stuff. I love this, mate, and love what you're doing, Avon Every. You're very welcome. If you are a YouTuber, and perhaps you are, because you've got a fancy logo, I can help you grow on YouTube as well. It's a silver member perk. I put you on the homepage of the channel, and I get everyone to subscribe to you. It's another little thing I like to do for people. James 007. James, is it you who's now following me on, is it Trading 212 and also maybe Blossom? Trading 212, Blossom, it might even be Weeble as well. I've been invited by Weeble, Blossom, Trading 212, eToro to create blogs and accounts. And I think it's James 007 because he's got a very similar logo. I wonder if it's him. It might not be. Good morning, Bill. Good morning, John. Lovely to have you here. Bill Starbuck. How's Starbuck this morning? Doing good. Better at everything. Wonderful. I'm glad to see Bill is feeling better. John Granford. Good morning, Bill. Thinking after you. Positive energy. Always. Absolutely right. Kevin B. Morning, Michael N. RW. Hi, Bill. There you go. He's getting a nice welcome this morning. Bill is. Stephen Lewandowski. Good morning. Space and Palantir going down. I just answered the question. Why is Palantir going down? Did you check it out? Members Day is coming up once again. Special day for special stuff going on, and I already starting to warm it up. So I answered your questions. You asked, why is Palantir going down? One of my members asked it, and I made a video just for you. You asked, why is Nightscope going down? I just put this out some minutes ago. We had 6 premieres before the bell. Oh, yes, that's how we get that done. And I did it all on my own, by the way, right? I did a show, I did a birthday, I did 6 premieres, and then I'm here for the opening bell, and then we got earnings. Check me out. That's the best day ever. Will Robinhood go up? There's your question. Will I show the flight? There's your question answered. And will Virgin Galactic reverse split? There's your question answered. Just gone out some moments ago. They're all brand new on the channel. All right. Martin. Yes, Martin, it's me on Trading 212. Not Blossom, though, yet. I knew it. I knew it was you. I was your first follower on Trading 212. Yes, you were. Absolutely. In case anyone's wondering, I'm on every brokerage now. I'm doing blogs and posts and reviews and partnership deals with everyone, everywhere. So if you can't stand the sound of my voice, I suggest you pull the power out, because I'm everywhere. Apart from the negative troll areas. I'm not on StockTwits anymore. Decided to hang up my hat on that one. No point. And I'm also not on Reddit. I don't go where the trolls are. I am not interested anymore. I haven't got time for it. I'm too busy being asked to do reviews for proper platforms. Just saying. Thank you, John. Think it's easy peasy. What's easy peasy? Tim Rogers is back. Welcome, Tim Rogers. How are you? 2-month badge now. 2-month badge. We're getting a little bit too many questions. I'm going to go members only. I just can't deal with all the questions at the moment. If you want to be a member, but you can't afford a couple of bucks, there is a membership for the extra channel. It's only 99 cents. If you want to be a member, it's only 99 cents. Yes, when McDonald's is increasing prices, we are making everything cheaper and cheaper, more and more value, better service, cheaper prices all the time. That's what I promised. That's what I'm delivering always. Always undersell, over deliver. If you want to go onto Extra Channel right now, it's live 12 hours a day. You can get support 12 hours a day from our members, and it's a very busy channel now. It's becoming as busy as the main channel for just 99 cents. That's it. It's a radio show. You can watch behind the scenes as a radio show, and it's 99 cents. That's it. That's all it costs. Alrighty then. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move over to members only because I can't keep up with all the questions. If it gets quieter again, I will bring it back into general public once again. All right. Most moving stocks today. What are the most moving stocks? I don't believe you're one of my members. Sorry, I've got to focus on the members. Sorry about that. Bill said, I'm still housebound, stuck in a chair all day. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, Bill. Of course, if you're on the extra, you've got friends 12 hours a day you can talk to. We're here to help and support everyone. I'm sorry it's 99 cents, but it's the only way we can keep bots and scammers. You know what? Bots and scammers won't pay 99 cents. That's how rubbish they are. So anyway, that's why we do it, not to make 99 cents out of you, to provide the best service. Did you put cocaine in your tea? No, but I do need to drink it. James, give me the signal. James, give me the signal. I've got a cup of tea here. I need to drink it. Come on, James, cup of tea. Cheers, mate. I love life. We've got to get on with it. Get on with it. Stop bloody moaning. The tea's gone a bit cold, but I'll drink it anyway. It's that was cold. Cold tea's rubbish. But I had to drink it because it's good for you, right? I had to drink it. All right, that's that taken care of. Thank you, James. Was he there? Yes. Cheers, Martin. Thank you, mate. Right. I love this, mate, for real. Changing my life. Oh, we love it. We love it. Evan Avery. That's what it's all about, mate. The idea of this channel is we reach 62 countries. We raise money for charities. We help people make money. We give support, friendship, love, understanding, answer questions. I am dedicated to the members and the followers of this channel. And when you turn around to me and you say, I love this, mate, for real, changing my life, I love it. I just hope it's changing your life for the good. If it's changing your life for the bad, and let's be honest, I'm kind of on every network, everywhere, every day. You can't turn me off. The only way you can turn me off is pull the plug out. That's it. So, it might not be good. Anyway, Martin, I found it hard to find you at first on Trading 212. It's because I was not following the news community on 212, so your posts were not showing for me. Worked it out, though. There you go. Don't worry, James. I'll be in all the other places as well. Just give me 5 minutes. Cecilio, hi Martin, good morning. I have 10,500 Virgin Galactic at 640 yesterday. I got a question from Virgin to vote. Can you give us an advice on voting? Yes, there's going to be a video coming out about that shortly, so stand by. I will answer your question. I have to focus on members. I don't think you're one of my members, are you? No, I have to focus on members right now. Can't deal with all the questions. I know. This is the best YouTube live TV channel in the world. Martyn Lucas, gone wild. Yes, this morning. 6 premieres before the bell. Stick that in your pipe and smoke it, Mike. How about that? in the world. Hi, Tilray is down. Tilray is down. Let's have a quick look at Tilray. Yes, good value. Anything under $2 is good value for Tilray. We've established that. Gone. John Martin is gone wild. Thank you. I'm back and happy to be on and watching and listening and learning to learn more every day. Absolutely. Tim Rogers, you know, you always said to me, be an investor, not a gambler and all the rest of it. Well, look at this. You've not seen this for a while. You ready, Tim? I started with $5,000. I don't do any shorts. I don't do any negativity. I crush negativity. I stamp on it. Boom. Get out of here. Done. Don't need you here. I don't do negativity. I don't do short. I don't do options. Started with $5,000. My portfolio is now 58, 24, 82,522. How about that, Tim? I know you love that. I know you love all this stuff. So there you go. I'm very excited about that. That's a very good result, right? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. We keep on going. This is the best YouTube live TV channel in the world, says Mike. We like that. Should we give that a cheer? Yes. Hi, Bill. Glad to hear you anyway. Yes, it's great to have Bill in the chat this morning. Cheers, Martin. Thanks for the tea and the coffee. Any updates from Diversified Mineral Group? Yes, some great news. Have you been following the playlist? Have you been following the videos? Do you know what's going on? Yes, I was talking to in fact, I might just call him on the phone for you. This is the sort of stuff that I do. I was talking to Jefferson Boots a couple of days ago. Let me have a quick look in my messages. You don't get service like this, do you? You don't get service like this anywhere else on planet Earth, do you? I mean, do you? Going to call him up live on the show. Right. You ready? Let's have a look. Good morning, Jeff. How are you? Full disclosure, no one can hear you, but I'm live on the show, and I've got a very excited, passionate audience this morning asking any updates from Diverse Mineral Group. And I know you've been in Dubai and stuff like that. Would you like to just put you on speakerphone and say hello to the audience and let them know what's going on? You can. Right. Here we go, folks. This is Jefferson Boots, the CEO of our company, who's about to go private, public rather, already private. And I know you're excited to hear from him. So I'm going to put him on speakerphone now. And I surprised him. For all I know, he's in the bath. But then that's what Jeff expects from me. Live call, live on air. What do you want? So here we go. Going to do it right now. And let me put him on speaker. Now, Jeff, you are speaking to the world. Fire away.
How are you, Martin? I have to always be on my toes with you.
This is it, mate. You never know. And every week it's 1,000 people more. So, Jeff, you're live on the show now. I've got the phone next to the microphone. If you want to tell anybody about what you've been up to, I'll give you 1 minute.
Well, I just got back from Dubai last week, and I'm going again next week. We're finishing up our funding for our 2 projects that we have in the house, and we're buying 3 more gold mines with the funds we're going to be raising in Dubai. So we're pretty close to being public. We're everything takes its time. You have to go through the process.
Wonderful. I do know that everyone's saying hello. Can everyone say hello in the chat, please, to Jeff? For all I know, he sat in the bar having this conversation. We don't know. He's just bought 3 more gold mines, as you do. I had a Big Mac yesterday. Well, when I was eating my Big Mac, Jeff was buying 3 more gold mines, as we do. And a number of you
Tim
did
Rogers
ask, and I'm going to give Jeff
the
opportunity now to answer this question. Many of you asked, when you received the convertible note, you noticed that the share price was 0.00001 and you thought, hello, what's all that about? I spoke to Jeff about it on the phone, and I'm sure Jeff will give you a very quick answer. Jeff, mention to what you mentioned.
That's the par value of a stock. It has nothing to do with the value of a company. When you create a corporation, all corporations, most people, when they create a par value, it's either 0.01, 0.001, which is ours, or 0.0001. that's an indicator of how many shares you have times that amount is what you pay the state every year for reinstatement. It has not, that's all that is. If you look at Apple, I mean, they're going to have a par value, in that area as well. I mean, that's just the value of the company is about what's in the company, what's the revenues on it, what kind of assets you have, and so forth.
Wonderful.
And that comes in the audit.
Jeff, thank you ever so much for explaining that. People are going, hi Jeff, in the chat. I'll put this together its own little video later on, and people can then see this moment live. Thank you ever so much for picking up the phone. Most people don't want to pick up the phone to me because they never know where they're going to find themselves. But but Jeff, thank you ever so much. We got a big week. We got 2 or 3 CEOs on the show next week. It's going to be quite a busy week. We've got lots of earnings to do. Wish you the very best. Everyone's excited to hear from you, and thank you for picking up the phone and giving us
all the best to you and your audience. Thank you.
Jeff, thank you. Cheers. There was Jeff live on the show. Absolutely great. Now, do you get a better service than this anywhere? Right? You wanted to know? Whoa!
Stavros MP has become a member on Extra.
There you go. Fantastic. You want to know what's going on with the company? You want to speak directly with the CEO? I phone him up live on the show. Fantastic. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do this right now. We're going to put that there. Right. You want to know what's going on with a publicly traded company live on the show? Just ask me. What do? I'll pick up the phone. I'll phone the CEO live on the show, and I'll have a conversation with them. Might find him on the toilet, in the bath. Doesn't matter. They'll pick up the phone to me. Well, most of the time, they never know who I'm going to be, what I'm going to be doing. But I'm always live. You know that. So anyway, here is Jefferson Boots, the CEO of Diverse Mineral Group, who's private right now, running around the world buying gold mines, just come back from Dubai, who is about to go public on the New York Stock Exchange. And we have all got our shares with him. We've all got our convertible notes. He's going to explain a bit more about it now as I catch him out, as I pick up the phone to Jeff. And now on with the video. There was Jefferson Boots. I hope you learned a little bit more about that. Click above my head down below in the description, and I'll point you to our Diverse Mineral Group playlist. You might still be able to get in on that deal. He's one of my mates in the royalty of Dallas. All the big wigs, all the rich boys and ladies, of course. They're my mates. I play in their house when I used to do the Piano Man thing, World Piano Man, all that. So there you go. Check it out. Above here, down here, over here, over here. You never know. We might have him back on the show, but he might think there's no point. You just call me up anyway. I come on the show for free. I don't need to be on the show. You just phone me up. There you go. Great stuff. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. You want to know what Elon Musk is doing today? Come on the show and ask me. I'll phone him up. Well, not just yet, but the time will come. All right. I love it. I love this job. Right, okay, so that was 45 minutes. 45. Let me put that in. That will go 45 mins. Jeff. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's hello. Let's read the comments. There you go. So Tim, you wanted to know something. You found out. I need a nice hot tea. Yeah, there'll be. Oh, hello. Oh, hang on. No, that's my old cup. Leah hasn't been in yet. She's busy. Leah has a life as well. She's not the kitchen help. All right. So anyway, I have to go now and mow the grass. Oh, thanks for letting us know. Nothing like it, is there? Nothing like it. I don't know what you think this is. Can you call in CNBC and Bloomberg and say, I'm just about to cut the grass, and they'll read that out? Well, here you can. Anyway, let me just check this a minute. That doesn't seem right. What's going on here? Hang on a second. What's going on here? That's good. That's good. That's good. I'm just checking a couple of things here. Ah, I see. That's what's going on there. Right, that's better. Okay. We've just got a new member on the Extra channel. Fantastic. Now, where are we? I know. I'm proud of you. I see it. Congratulations on your portfolio. It's looking good. I have to catch up on everything. $2 super chat. That's the first thing you got to do. I agree. The first thing you got to do is do a super chat. It's just polite, isn't it? Glad to be doing business with your company. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Awesome. Hi, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Hello, Jeff. Hi, Jeff. I am buying some. Let's go. Martin, thanks for making the call for me this morning. I sent you a super chat. I just saw it. I hate it when YouTube subscriptions automatically renewed. I'd rather make that decision myself. It took me a while to find out how to turn off automatic renewal. It's not aimed at your channel, but it's just in general. RW. What's that then? I hate when YouTube subscription, there's no such thing. There's no such thing as a renewal for YouTube subscription. Let me explain. I want to be clear. RW, when you subscribe to a channel, it doesn't resubscribe you. There's no such button. There's no such thing. Are you talking about memberships? Membership is it is very different, and it's not automatic because not everybody does it. It's automatic or manual. You are offered automatic. If you don't do automatic, of course, 1 month you might find yourself not as a member. You'll lose your history, you'll lose your benefits, and you'll miss out. So it gives you the option. But there are some people who do it manually. That's why some people then come in and go, oops, I forgot to renew my membership. So you have a choice. You have a choice. You could have an automatic renewal, or you can have manual. I've got to be honest, 99% do auto because they want to remain a member and not forget about it. But yeah, there are people that do it manually, and sometimes they miss out on things. So you have the choice. But yeah, it offers you that because most people want it. Because if you decide to be a member, there's very few people who go, I want to be a member for a month and then not again. Because if you're not a member of the channel, you lose the benefits. And there's like 100 things that you won't get next month. So that's why it's like that. Anyway. I hope that explains. Tim Rogers, do you work at Pepsi? I think he does, yes. What's your hang up with my fellow investors? What's up? What's up? What's up? Hang my fellow investor. Oh, hello, Radiant Smile. How are you? How are you this morning? You missed a great phone this morning. Just spoke to Jefferson Boots. Oh, yeah, you missed it. Now, Virgin Galactic's going back down after earnings. No surprise at all. We're heading towards the reverse split. Everything that was gained over Virgin Galactic's earnings is going straight back down again. It's going to set another new all-time low again, continually going down. As you can see, the stock price now can go to 50 cents. Reverse split is inevitable. Whether you vote it or not, it's going to happen. Did you see, guys, get the Virgin Galactic email? Did Martin make a video on it yet? No, I haven't yet. Not a chance. I did 6 videos this morning. Now then, let me see. We've got some reviews to do. We've got Members Day coming up imminently. So there's some prizes there for members. You're going to love it. You're going to absolutely love it. I'm absolutely sure about that. Links for YouTube. What have I got here? Michael N. New partnership deal with Neo. Green stock, we're looking at Cooler, Kulr. Thank you very much indeed. Chris Schultz, Investors Immunity Bio. That was yesterday. We covered that. Sundays are better. One of our premium members on Discord, Enovix, lays off roughly 1/3 of staff in cost-cutting effort. Enovix, Sundays are better. Now, as one of our premium members, he's got a green name with a heart of gold. There we go. So we've got to cover this for one of our premium members. Absolutely right. Enovix, let's bring this up for you now. It's one of the services that you get as a premium member. Of course, everything gets shown in priority. Enovix. Let's have a look at it. Enovix. Thank you very much. Sundays are better. Let me bring this on the screen now. Tim, I am a consultant with one of their divisions. If Virgin Galactic reverse split, wouldn't it be easier for the price to rise? No, a reverse split doesn't make the price rise. The price appears more expensive, but it's not. It's a bad sentiment. It's that they're doing it because they have to do it. It's not a good thing. It's a bad thing. And because the reverse split is likely, people are getting out of the stock because they know it'll be devalued. It always is. It's a negative. It's not a good sign, reverse splitting. It shows weakness of management. They can't get the stock price up. It's not good. It's not a good sign. And nearly every company that reverse split ultimately go down the toilet. That's just statistically a fact. It's not a good sign. Reverse splitting when your stock price is continually going down is a survival tactic. It's not seen as a good thing, even though the company will try and spin it to be a good thing. Make sure you guys vote opposites of Virgin Galactic recommendations. Radiant Smile, share me that information and I'll put it out. Right. Let's have a look. Are we red or green day today? Yes, we are red, but we're going to be green in a minute. Let's have a look at this. A premium member on YouTube, on Discord has just sent this in. So the least I could do is report on it. 35 minutes. Here we go. Now, the reason why we got less people in the show this morning is because they're watching my premieres. How do I know that? Well, I know everything because if I look over here, it tells me. You can see here, my views have spiked this morning because people are watching the premieres. What are they watching? They're watching, 42 have just watched Why Will We Get a Reverse Split? Will I show the flight 35? Palantir's down 65. Will Robinhood beat earnings 24? Your questions answered 110. All of these videos have just come out, and that's why we've got quieter numbers in the show. Thank you, everybody. We've just hit 23,000 subscribers, on the way to 100,000 within 12 months. Very, very exciting that is as well. So thanks for that. Right, let's do this review. Let's do this. Poor old Jeff. He probably was in the bath. Right. I love it. I love it. Right. Okay, let's do this. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. A report just sent in by one of my Discord premium members, and always gets priority when that happens, to put out some news that they are concerned with. We're talking about Enovix, ticker symbol ENVX. We've done reviews on this. You might want to go and check it out. But we got some news this morning, and you can decide whether this is good or bad for the stock. There's two sides to every story, of course. Enovix lays off roughly 1/3 of staff in cost-cutting effort. Now, one side of the coin, great, they're going to save some money. Maybe they found a way they don't need the staff. Maybe then they can be more efficient. Elon Musk would say, absolutely right. People sitting around doing nothing, or perhaps business is quietening and they don't need as many people because they're not producing as much. What do you think? Well, let's have a look and let's read into this. Enovix fell sharply in late trading on Monday. That was just a day or so ago, after the information reported the company laid off 170 workers at its Fremont, California factory, just down the road from Tesla, in fact. We're talking about batteries and Tesla and layoffs. The layoff appeared to be part of a company attempt announced last week to reduce annual operating costs by $35 million before the end of the year. So there could be a positive here. You get the reaction. The stock went down and now it's coming back up again. So that's interesting. The move comes 7 months after Enovix, ENVX, laid off 185 engineers and other staff in Fremont. The company has shifted most of its operations to Malaysia, since nearly all of its intended customers are in Asia. That kind of makes sense. Enovix ENVX shares have surged more than 50% since reporting a much smaller Q1 adjusted loss than in the year earlier quarter, and announcing a development agreement with an unnamed top 5 smartphone maker. Okay, so there we go. We wanted to just bring you up to date with that. Now, we have done a full review on this stock and lots of breaking news around this stock. You might like to go and check out the playlist. And if you're a member of my channel and you want some breaking news, remember, we are live 12 hours a day, more than anybody else in the world. Yep. Crazy, right? There we go. Not literally. Anyway, we are live 12 hours a day. This is the extra channel behind the scenes where you see me doing all the good stuff and you can be part of it. Talk to our team 12 hours a day. Click above my head for all the links. Over here, you'll find the extra channel where we're live 12 hours a day. And over here, more in the series for Enovix, more reviews, and you might find that interesting. Until next time, as always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. I just added that in. And each other. Bye-bye for now. All right. Let's come back to the main stocks. Remember, GE did a reverse split and came out great. However, they replaced everyone in senior leadership positions from the CEO down. This needs to happen with Virgin Galactic. I agree. Now then, I am going to... someone sent me a message. I'm going to use that comment. This is very, very important. Who sent me the information about the vote? Who was it earlier? Was it Radiant Smile? I think he's called Military Bros. Let's have a little look. No. Who was it? Who was it who sent me the information, who said, has Martyn made a video yet? Who was that? Someone just said, I sent information about the vote. Has Martyn made a video yet? I don't remember who it was. I'm looking in links for YouTube. That's where I always go. John. No. Chris Schultz. It was me. Radiant Smile. Radiant Smile. I'm just trying to remember. Are you Military Bros? No, you're not. Radiant Smile. You sent me a message. Not in Discord. I don't see it in there. Links for YouTube. I don't see it there. Radiant Smile. I have no idea. Remember, guys, I get thousands of messages a day. That's why we do links for YouTube. I think you might have emailed me. It was me. I emailed it too. Yes, but did you send it in links for YouTube? Or I can't show the emails at the moment on the screen. It reveals your email address. Try not to do that. Welcome all. Is it in there? No. Today, E. Avery just became a member. Can my members please do me a great favor, please? We have just got E. Avery has just become a premium member in Discord. Would you please welcome E. Avery today at 7 o'clock this morning? So it'd be absolutely wonderful if you could click on him, on his comment, and reply, welcome to the family. That would be really great. Our premium members are those that provide the Discord service by being a premium member. Welcome to the family. I have just welcomed you on the live show. Let's, whoops a daisy. let me know who you are in. Whoops, you are in the live chat on YouTube. Thank you. There you go. If everybody else could jump in and give him a great welcome, that would be awesome. I don't see any messages from Radiant Smile. It was me. I don't see any message. I can't deal with that. Suggestions pending. Okay. And don't forget, I can make you a member as well. Wide Point. We're covering Wide Point. They're going to be on the show. All right. Sorry. Please don't apologize. Don't apologize. The email was great. I just can't share your email on the show without giving your email out. That's all. I'm just trying to protect you. But I did want to mention this. Okay. So I'm going to do it this way, as I don't have that to hand. Let me just see if I can. No, there's no point. I don't have it to hand. I can't use it. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. Right. SPCE. Right, okay, here we go. I'm going to use this comment here. Right. Members, yeah. Let's go back into there. Welcome all. Members. Right. Close that down. How long have I got? 45 minutes before we end the show. Welcome to the family, Avery. Yes, he's over on Discord. If you can pop into Discord. I don't know who he is in the live chat. That's why I've asked him to come in here, because I can upgrade him and give him other features as well. I just don't know who he is, because I can't possibly know, can I? Right, Virgin Galactic. The time. 45 minutes. 45 SPCE. Virgin Galactic update. People are asking about the reverse split, and I've got a very good bit of information here to share with you that you might find interesting from a very seasoned investor that's got a lot of experience in these things. So I'm going to share with you the information on the screen right now, and just his comment on the screen in just a second. So Virgin Galactic, last night we had a good earnings. It was their best earnings so far. Things moving in the right direction. Yes, we like that. However, many of you are upset about two things. First of all, we've got the reverse split, which is about to be voted on, and there'll be an update to that when we get confirmation about a specific point I'm going to share with you. So that's upcoming. So we've got the reverse split. Many of you are very upset, including Andy Shovel, one of the largest retail investors in the world, doesn't like the amount that Virgin Galactic pay themselves, which is related to performance, when really the performance isn't that good. A performance when it comes to innovation and moving forward with the project, yes, they're achieving that. But the stock price, well, you know, they are responsible for the stock price too. There are ways to get the stock up, and we've suggested many of those already. However, they have not managed to do that. And now we're talking about a reverse split. And I have said this morning, and it's a very important point, and I've got an answer here from one of my members. Reverse split, 99 times out of 100. I don't mean literally, but that's just the way it looks generally across the board. So that is a general statement, not an actual number specific. So please give me that. But Pretty much all the time, when a company reverse split, it doesn't end well. It ends in bankruptcy and going bust. Why? Because it shows weakness. A forward split is great. That shows strength. A reverse split is something the company has to do out of no choice at all. It's not a good thing. Much better to get the stock price up than to bring on a short split. A reverse split. We don't like to see it. It doesn't end well. It shows weakness. The stock is then driven down again. It's devalued more and more and more. It's never, ever a good sign. However, as always on this show, we try to bring you balance and an argument for everything. Yeah, I'm always arguing with everybody, it seems. But yeah, we always like to give you an argument and a counter point to this. So this is a good point just shared a few moments ago with one of our senior investors. And here is what he just said to me. Tim Rogers said, remember, GE, it did a reverse split and came out great. However, they replaced everyone in senior leadership positions from the CEO down. This needs to happen with Virgin Galactic if this process happens. I agree. I absolutely agree. We've got the product, we've got the rocket. It all works. It's great. However, Michael Colglazier comes from Disney, where he has unlimited purse strings, and the purse strings are literally cut, and he's got a wide open bucket of spending money and wasting money, and we've seen that time and time again. Now they have the audacity to ask for more money and pay themselves even greater compensation. Number one. Number two, Eric Kearney has discontent for the investors as absolute waste of space. Eric Kearney is more interested in talking to me about GameStop and how things, how we can short a stock and all that kind of malarkey. I haven't got time for any of that nonsense. Absolute ridiculous. He came from there. So we do need to get rid of the management. It does appear that we're going to have a reverse split. That is not good. It's not a good sign. What will happen is you get a reverse split. The stock will appear to go up. Now, many people, retail investors who buy this stock, many will come to the stock for the first time and think the stock has gone up. I know that sounds ridiculous, but that's exactly what will happen. It'll appear the stock has gone up. You will see more people start to buy it. At first, those that have been following the stock, of course, will know the stock hasn't gone up. It's just been reverse split. We've even said this could be the road to $100. But remember, if there's only one share of Virgin Galactic, there was one share. If there was only one share and it was $100, the company would be worth $100. So you see what I mean? There's nothing great about having a reverse split and the stock going to $100 if there's only one share. In reality, of course, there'll be millions, but you get my point, all right? So it's not a good thing. So there we go. That's the situation right now. And then, of course, when the stock goes up, then those can short it again. They can also dilute to raise more funds without it looking as painful as it did before. It's a tactic that a company will use out of desperation and weakness of management. So I agree with Tim Rogers. It's likely to happen. And when it does, they do need to get rid of the management. Michael Colglazier is an awful CEO. He's taken all the money for himself, and people like Eric Kearney, the management, are all paying themselves extortionate amounts of money, while the retail investors are paying for it. Are we happy? No, we are not happy. We are less than happy. In fact, we are very frustrated.
Stavros MP has become a member.
Thank you very much indeed, Stavros. Welcome to our show. 98% of our live viewers are members, more than any other channel in the world, and we're growing 1,000 subscribers a week, and we're very, very proud to have you here. And Stavros is also a member on the Extra channel as well, so thank you very much for that. So he's a member on both channels. Absolutely great. So there we go. There's our thoughts this morning on Virgin Galactic. Is it good? No, it's not. It's gone down after earnings. It pumped before earnings, expecting a good earnings. It did, and everyone dumped it again. This is weakness of management, weakness of stock. It's a great product. It's a rubbishly run company. There is a difference. Click above my head for all the information. Down below in the description. Over here and over here for more information. More information. Until next time, as always, join us for the flight. Hopefully this time something will happen, but I would expect it to pump on the flight and dump again. We do see 50 cents as the next level down. Would that be good? You decide. Until next time, bye-bye for now. All right. Welcome to the family, Avery. Even Avery, Martin. Even Avery. Became a member, Stavros. Evan Avery, Martin. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Thank you very much indeed for becoming a member. Now, Stavros, you are a member of the extra channel, which means you can get 12-hour support. 12 hours a day you've got support from our family in 62 countries. As a member of this channel, the main channel, you've got many perks. There are so many, I can't tell you them all. So what I'm going to do is give you a video here to watch. It will give you all of the video, all of the perks, all the benefits. It will tell you about all of these things. Are you ready for all of these things? Here come all of these things. There's Alpha Spread. You get a lifetime discount, which makes my membership free. There's the music channel. Join me on Friday nights. You get your first free song. I'm the World Piano Man. There's Instagram. I will engage with you on all social media. There's Facebook. There's Rumble. There's the shop. If you're a gold member, you get discounts in the shop. There's the X account. I will engage with you on X. There's the all links. Get the newsletter. We have giveaways, special prizes. We have birthday cards, Christmas cards. You can call in live to the show. There's the all links button, martynlucas.com. There's the extra channel. You know all about that. There's the founder member, the founder club on X. You can join that once you get 2 years, and there's in-person meetups. There's Discord. I can now upgrade you on Discord. Stavros, there is Discord. What you do is click the link. It takes 10 minutes to get through security. Once you're through security, send me, I'm reading Stacey's comment. Send me a friend request to Martyn Lucas. Make sure you spell my name correctly. Don't add a dot or a T or an underscore. There are scammers waiting to try and sell you some rubbish. I will never message you. I never sell you anything unless you go to my shop and you buy yourself something, but I will never try to sell you anything. Alrighty then, if you're over on the extra channel, here are all the same links I've just given to everybody on the main channel. Evan, and as Stacey Bailey said, and you're absolutely correct, this is also the channel of something very special. Yes, it's the channel of the little fellas. There are the little fellas and the little ladies. We don't want to miss out that either. But there you go. Wonderful stuff. We like it. We like it. All right. Archer News in YouTube links. John Granfor. Hello, you are the best. Would like to tell you tell me your thoughts on Shopify and Starbucks. Well, Shopify, I believe, and as a member, you can do a super chat and have a review done. Now, you can ask me to do a review. You can get it for free, but I'm not doing any free ones at the moment because the list is too long, but you can super chat me and I will do a review for you. But I do believe I have a review just been done for Shopify, and if I do, you can go and have a look at it. I have not done one yet for Starbucks. I probably need to. I haven't done it, so I don't know. I've not looked at it. I've not looked at it deeply, so I can't give an opinion as I've not studied it yet, but I could if you wanted me to. So what you do is on YouTube search, you go Martyn Lucas, kind of makes sense, right? And you go Shopify. Now, what is the ticker symbol for Shopify? Let me just see what it is. Shop. It's shop. Huh. Well, that was easy. I think I've done a review on it. I might not have done, but it just sounds familiar. Have I? Shopify. I thought I did. I've obviously not. Martyn Lucas, shop. No, I thought I had Shopify. I think there was a business I did related to that. But no, the answer is I haven't. Otherwise, it would come up. So no, I haven't. So at this moment, I can't say, honestly. I haven't done a review on it. I've never reviewed it. I haven't reviewed Shopify and I haven't reviewed Starbucks. So sorry, I can't give you an answer right now, but I don't know. And Evan, you get the little fellas. Archer News. Yes, I'm looking at it now. Lewandowski. Stephen, we'd like to hear some oil tips. There you go, oil from Stephen Lewandowski. If Stephen Lewandowski wants to call in, Stephen, you can call in and I would love to hear from you and tell everybody about your tips for oil. Oil is Stephen's thing. He's the oil man and he will give you some great tips. I'm sure if he's available to do so. All right, I've got to go in a minute because I've got Spectrum turning up. They're not going to do anything. We just got to go through the process again. I know what the issue is here with the internet, and I am on top of it. Stacey Bailey's got a very strong view. Archer. John Granfor, links for YouTube. Avery. E. Avery. I'm waiting to hear from E. Avery and see if he comes into the live chat. I don't know who he is. I want to upgrade his account. Anyway, links for YouTube. Bad coffee. I actually like Starbucks. It's a waste of money. You should never go there. But once a week, me and Leah, we treat ourselves to a Starbucks and a sandwich. And it's insanely expensive. But, you know, it's a treat. It's a treat. John Granfor has just brought me some breaking news. John Granfor is one of my researchers on Discord. And we're trying to load it. For some reason, it doesn't want to load. But we'll try it again. Oh, there it is. Hang on a minute. Have you given me two? Well, that's kind of weird. Why have I got two? They look exactly the same. Archer. Well, it's the, I see. I looked at it and thought it's flipping different. It's the ad at the top. Right, Archer Aviation. This is good. Very good. This is good. Okay. Here we go. We got some news here. Right. Okay, last video before we go. We're about to turn green, by the way, which is good. Archer. I can't remember the Archer Aviation. We've done reviews on this before. So this is good. Very expensive for coffee with caramel. Yes, Stavros, it is bloody expensive. But I do enjoy the flavour. It's a little treat. From time to time, I treat myself. Anyway, you ready? Let's go. We're about to turn green again. This was sent in by John Granfor. Let's have a quick look. The time is 1 hour. ACHR, is it? Yes. Archer Aviation. Right. Your questions 130, 170. Space. Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Customize. Yes. Yes. Right, here we go. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, ticker symbol ACHR, Archer Aviation. One of my roving reporters, we have members in 62 countries now, 14 languages. One of my members sent in, as all members can, by the way, it's a great perk of the channel, send in a report for me, and this is just out a few moments ago. You're going to love it if you are an investor in Archer Aviation. Here it is, and before I give it to you, of course, you should tap the like button and subscribe. Why not? Why not indeed? There you go. Have you done that? Are you sure? Not for me, but for the little fellas. Shall I show you the little fellas? No. I'll show you later on. Not in this video. Just got to tempt you a little bit, right? Okay, here we go. I just couldn't be bothered to press the button. I'm running out of time. That's the truth. Anyway, Archer Aviation completes installation of high-volume battery pack manufacturing line. This is just out. Archer's battery pack manufacturing team has installed an automotive-style line that is designed for high-volume production from day one, with the capability of producing up to 15,000 battery packs per year. This facility will produce the proprietary battery packs needed to support the ramp of Archer's aircraft production as its high-volume aircraft manufacturing facility in Covington, GA, which remains on track to be completed later this year. Very nice indeed. Archer has applied automation to the key areas of its battery pack manufacturing process that impact quality, operator safety, and data traceability, including cell test and load, adhesive dispensing, laser cleaning, laser welding, and end-of-line testing. This news comes on the heels of Archer announcing that its battery pack recently successfully completed rigorous testing with multiple 50-foot drop tests. Oh, we don't like that. Don't drop this. Don't drop our batteries. We're investors here. Can you put a cushion underneath, right? Simulating extreme impact scenarios, which are some of the most challenging tests Archer will face as part of the FAA's type certification program. There we go. There's some information just out about Archer Aviation. All this is other news. We don't need to cover that. So there you go. Good news for Archer Aviation. Are you an investor? I would like to know if you are an investor in Archer Aviation. Comment below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on the stock? Do you like it? What do you think? Where do you think the price is going? Right now we are a penny stock. Does Archer Aviation belong in the does it belong in the sector of penny stock or not? So go and leave me your comments below, and not for me, but for the little fellas. Make them happy. Yes, indeed, make them happy, and get them to wag their tails and get excited as we continually like to discover new stocks, learn about great companies. Part of the CEO series, I've got 2 CEOs coming up on my show very shortly. I'm excited about that. Investors, message your favorite CEOs. They'll be here live on the show. One of them is coming into the studio in a few weeks' time. We're very excited about that. In the meantime, click above my head, down below in the description, 12 hours a day. Yep, you've heard it here. We are live 12 hours a day. Members only can get supported for 99 cents, and you can talk to a team of investors. Not gamblers, not speculators, not trolls, not bots, not those who live in rooms on Reddit and StockTwits. No, those are our investors with real money and a proper bit of intelligence. Put it that way? Yeah, I'm saying it. There you go. I've said it. Can't unsay it now. Go and check out the extra channel. In the meantime, over here, down here, everywhere, basically all around me is stuff you can click on. Click on it. It's good for my channel. I get more views. I make more money. Click on it. If you clicked on it, I don't know, do I? I'm saying this and I don't know. Ta-ra. Bye-bye for now. All right. Dang, Stephen, good luck. Laser up 20% after earnings. Good show this morning, sir. Thank you much indeed. That's my plan. Cham, probably sell in September. Okay, here we go. So let's get out of here. I've got Mr. What's he called? Spectrum on his way. I've got videos to get out. Absolutely. Let's clear the boards, and it's time for Day Trader of the day. Who's made the most money? Who's lost the most money? Doesn't matter. We all get support. Are you up? Are you down? I am down today. What am I down by? Let's have a look. I am down 0.09. I can live with it. Down 0.09. Who is the day trader of the day? There's my score. I will find that place in Covington, GA, says Fight Channel. I've decided you remind me of the Mad Hatter. Fair enough. That makes sense. It makes perfect sense. Down 0.09. I'm late for a very important date. That's the rabbit, innit? Yeah, it's not the Mad Hatter. The Mad Hatter is he wears a big hat, doesn't he? That kind of yeah, he wears a big hat. That's why he's called the Mad Hatter, you silly sod. Yes. Right, down 0.09, up 0.77. John Granfall is up 0.77, down 0.71. Who's going to win today? Who's going to win the day trader of the day? Down 1.7. Let's roll the credits. Did we get any credit? Did we get any stars of the show today? Who's a star of today's show? Stars of the show is subscribers Antonia Hill and Benjamin Yashar. These are the public subscribers only. Members, Stavros became a member on both channels, and we only had one super chat. Never mind. We had one super chat, and that was, of course, from Tim Rogers. Thank you so much indeed. All right. Patrick G. Patrick G is down today. Never mind, mate. We've got J Long is up. J Long is up. Not J Ling, but J Long. Down 12% from Iberian Wolf. Sorry about that, mate. He's down today. Oops a daisy. No. Shooby-doo-woo. Press the wrong button. Laser, doing great. Absolutely right. We covered on it. We covered the earnings. Didn't we? Didn't we cover the earnings? Yes. Did we do a review on it? Yes. Are we ranking on YouTube? Yes. Again. There you go. Right. Thank you so much indeed. The winner then. The winner. The only person who's posted an up is, in fact, it's Jay Long. Jay Long! Give him a thumbs up. There's Jay Long. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you for your trades. Absolutely great. Jay Long is the winner of today's show. Absolutely brilliant. Gets clear the credit boards because it wasn't that impressive today. We only got one super chat. Rubbish. Thank you very much, though. I appreciate it. Right, we're out of here. That's it from me. Shidoo-bidoo. All right. We've got too much time to spare. I did the credits and the competition too quick, which means it only means one thing. It only means one thing. I've got too long. I've got to pass 30 seconds. And the other way. There you go. I told you by the end of the show we'd be turning green. No one listened to me. No one ever does. That's absolutely fine. Are we turning green? You betcha. You betcha. There it is. On the way up. $24 to go and we'll be green. That's it from me. Jidoo-bidoo-doo. On the day show today. And we're loving it. Oh, yes, we are. And I said we'd turn green right on the end of the show, and yes, we did. Yes, yes, oh yeah, go on, do it. Right on time, that will look amazing. People will go, how did he know this stuff? How can he possibly turn green right at the end of the show, just like he said? Come on, he knew it. How did he know it? He just did, because it's amazing. Yes, on the bell as I finish. I can't will it, can I? I will it. Okay, we'll call in the big guns. We'll call in the big guns. In the next 30 seconds, I will turn green. Yes, I will. Live on the show. It's amazing. The greatest investor in the history of the world. Have you ever heard of Warren Buffett? Well, Martyn Lucas is even better. He can predict he'll go from red to green precisely to the second. Even though I've got to drag it out for about a minute. But it's going to happen. And the moment it does, you betcha I'm going to get out of the show and go, see, I told you so. Go on. I'm committed now. I'm committed. I've come so far. I'm committed. 0.01. You're having a laugh. You're messing with me. You're messing with me, aren't you? I've got an $80,000 portfolio. Okay, I was a minute out. But you know it's going to happen. Oh, bugger this. I'm giving myself a cheer. Because I know it's going to happen. I've got to end the show. I've got Mr. Spectrum coming to mess up my studio again. All they flipping do. Right, I should pay them. They should pay me for the privilege of messing up my studio. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's making me look bad now. You know, you can predict you're going to go green by the end of the show, and it just sits there. 0.0. That's ridiculous. 0.01. $4. Out of $58,000, I can't just get $4. Are you having a laugh? See you later.